Hi everyone, today I will tell you how to write a simple quiz in C++ using while loop that keeps asking the some questions until they get right. We use while to create the infinite loop. That means the program will keep repeating unless we tell to stop. Inside the loop, we ask the question. Question is, what is the capital of Sri Lanka? If the user type A, the program print correct answer and then use break to stop the loop. But if the answer is wrong, we show wrong answer, try again, and the loop start over asking the same question again. Wrong answer. Correct answer is A. So this program keeps repeating until the user gives to correct answer. That how while helping making retry loop in C++. We will explore input and output operation in C++ using cin and cout. First, let's talk about cout. In cin used to take input from the user through to keyboard. In this example, we ask in name and index number. How to work together complete program. Enter your name. Enter, enter your index number 1, 2, 3. Student details. Niroshana index number 1, 2, 3. Is display the result of cout. We use this to write and read from the screen using cout and cin. This is the program begin running. Score will store how many correct answer. Answer will store that use the input A, B, C or D. The question is shown and the user is asked the type and answer. If the answer A, it shows the correct answer and at the point. If not, is say incorrect and show the correct answer. Finally, the program show the total score. This ends the program properly. We will learn how to check the restaurant rate using a switch statement in C++. First, we include the iOS stream library. This allows you to use cin and cout in input and output. We create a variable called score. Then we ask the user to enter the score between 0 and 100. If the score is less than 0 or more than 100, we show a message in a read score. We divide the score by 10 and find the grade range. If the score is 90 and 100, we show grade A. If the score is between 80 and 80 90, If the 85 more than grade A, if the less than 85, the grade is B. If the score is between 7 and 79, if there is 75 more than, the grade is B. If the less than 75, the grade is C+. If the score is 60 and 69, grade is C. If the score 50 and 59, the grade is S. For any score the less than 50, the grade is F, which means fail. We run program, enter the score 56, enter you. I have grade is S. We will learn to simple C++ programming that show the car name and the year it was made. We start the program by including the iOS stream library. This helps us use cout to print text. Then we start the main function. Here we create two string variables, one for the car name and one for the model year. We giving value variables. Now we print the message cout. Return 0 means the program ended successfully. This is the final output. You will see the screen. That's how we use string and cout in C++ to show the car details. We will learn how to use variable in C++. We will make a simple quiz program variable. We start by including iOS stream and string. This helps us use cin and cout and string variable. We begin the main program. Then we create the variables name, index number, score and answer. Now we show the name and index number. We ask the simple quiz questions. What is the capital of France? We given four options A, B, C and D. Next we ask the enter the answer. We use cin to read the input. If the answer is B, then we show the final score. What is the capital of France? Answer is B. Enter the B. Final score is 1 out of 1. Thank you for watching.